Adewolu ọba Adegoroye, lékelèké lọba ó dára níwà, inú funfun ló kún bá wọn lò. Adewolu dẹ́ni iyì láwùjọ, Adewolu dẹ́ni iyì láwùjọ. Adewolu dẹ́ni iyì láwùjọ, Adewolu dẹ́ni iyì láwùjọ. Alábòsí ara abílẹ̀ lẹ́dẹ̀, wọ́n bá wẹ̀ tán wọ́n á tún wá yíra mọ́lẹ̀. Agbéraga wọn tún gbéra sọ́lẹ̀, irú ẹ̀ kì í sẹ́ni iyì láwùjọ. 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 Ó wá yá arábà fi ojú tì í o, bóyá yìí wálẹ̀ ní o. Àbọ̀bàdéwọ̀lú ẹ̀ làjúlẹ̀, gbogbo wa ní oṣojú. Arábà fi ojú tì í o, bóyá yìí wálẹ̀ ní o. Àbọ̀bàdéwọ̀lú ẹ̀ làjúlẹ̀. Kábíyèsí o, ọmọ ọgbà ọba ni. Ọba ni. Ọmọ ọgbà ọba ni. Ọba ni. Adéwọ̀sọ bí ọba. Ọba ni. Adéwọ̀lá bí ọba. Ọba ni. Ọdọ́bìlà bí ọba.
Foremost monarch in Ibadan, the Olubadan of Ibadanland, Oba Lekan Balogun, Alli Okunmade II, has joined his ancestors. Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State confirmed the development. He said Oba Balogun died on Thursday evening at the University College Hospital, Ibadan. He was aged 81. Following the death of Oba Moshood Olalekan Balogun, the late Olubadan of Ibadanland, Oba Owolabi Olakulehin, who is the current Balogun of Ibadanland, and the head of the military line of the Olubadan system, is set to become the next Olubadan of Ibadan. Tradition has it that palace drummers and chanters would move from Alli-Iwo to the Ita Baale palace of Oba Olakulehin, heralding his symbolic ascension to the throne. According to tradition, the next in line to Olakulehin is Senator Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja, a former governor of Oyo State and senator, who heads the civil line as Otun Olubadan of Ibadan. The death of Oba Balogun and the assumption of office by another Olubadan will cause promotion in the Olubadan system, especially in the Balogun line where the new Olubadan will emerge.
Tó fi ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí stream, ó ti ń stream already. Ó ti ń stream. Ṣé ibi ìbẹ̀yìn fún màá bọ̀?
Oba Balogun spent 2 years on the throne of his forefathers, having been presented the staff of office, on March 11, 2022. The governor described the late monarch as a towering figure akin to an Iroko tree. He wrote, "With total submission to the will of God, I announce the passing unto glory of our father. His Imperial Majesty, Oba Balogun, Alli Okunmade II, the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland. A mighty Iroko has fallen, Oba Balogun has joined the ancestors." In Kabiyesi, Ibadanland had a cosmopolitan and well-experienced Olubadan, who made indelible marks on the sands of history and achieved greatly within a short while. On behalf of the government and good people of the state, I condole with the immediate family of the Oba Balogun, the Olubadan in Council, the State Traditional Council and the people of Ibadanland. It is my prayer that God grants repose to the soul of our late monarch. The passing of Oba Dr. Balogun marks the end of an era for Ibadanland, leaving behind a profound void in its rich history and heritage. He added, "The late Olubadan was born on October 18, 1942.